Hello and welcome to the Carro Lounge. My name is Perlin and today I'll be sharing a quick tip with you on how to increase the value of your car. A good condition equals a higher valuation. So if you're planning on selling your car, maintaining its condition is your #1 priority. Take for example, car seats. Which of these would you rather buy? In caring for your car seats, our car expert, Tony, has a secret hack for you. Mix some baby oil and water and use it to wipe the leather seats to maintain that shiny new look. See? When it comes to selling your car for a better price, always remember that maintenance is better than cure. If you want to learn more DIY tips and tricks for maintaining your car, or if you have any car-related questions that need answering, join Tony and I as we take over Safra Jerome's Facebook Live on 4th of July at 11 a.m. We'll also be having an exciting giveaway where 5 lucky winners walk away with a full servicing package worth $128. So, save the date and we'll see you there!